Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Chevrolet Colorado work truck. This two-door truck has a 4-cylinder, 2.9-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, stability control, traction control, OnStar, and Bluetooth.